Today's open house is another Compass listing. The address is 5927 Elmeo Drive, Los Angeles, California, 90042. This home was built in 1925 and it is a trust sale. So if you need more information on the listing, or if you'd like to see the school ratings, just solds, and you want access to the Compass platform, I'll leave the link in the description of today's video. So today's open house, it has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it has 2,197 square feet of living space. The area is Highland Park in Northeast Los Angeles. The listed price is $1,299,000. So today is the first day on the market, and I'm so excited to see this house. I saw the photos and it has amazing views. It's a great neighborhood. It's up in the hills in Highland Park, and I believe the first original home in this area is still standing. So there's St. Ignatius Church. My cousins used to go there, and Highland Park is near and dear to me because of family. So look at these palm trees. This neighborhood up here in the hills is beautiful. It has amazing views. So I can't wait to show you this property. And if you need assistance with selling or buying real estate for any reason, please reach out to me during normal business hours. I will leave my information in the description of today's video. Look at that intercom. Or it's a radio and intercom. That's so cool. I love Sears. Okay, so this is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 21. Oh, Elvis Costello. Oh, David Bowie. Oh, this is so cool. What was it? John Baez. Janis Joplin. Come on, there has to be at least one punk in here. Restroom. Carey cucumber. Ooh, Pacifico. So the listing agent said the lady that lived here passed away, but not in the home. And they're selling this home. I don't know if it's in a trust or probate, but if you were to make an offer, you would have all those disclosures regarding the property. Okay, let's go back up.
They tried it.
No, nothing. It was built in 1925. Never been on the market before. It's the same family that lived at school right there. She's one of the kind of. This is the house in the middle right there. So what my father
Like a secret step. Okay, that's it. So now we're going to do the drive around, and I'll see you at the next video. Get fronted for the cost of home improvement services with zero due until closing. Compass Concierge is the hassle-free way to sell your home faster and for a higher price with services like staging, flooring, painting, and more. So learn how I can help you sell your home faster and for a higher price with Concierge.